well in the preseason, and of course that's all before the injury. That first start in Ottawa, he went 2-0, made 3 appearances, very respectable goals against average, and he's back between the pipes here tonight, trying to backstop the Jackets to victory. And a turnover. Ryan Johansson, shorthanded, moving in, fires a shot, and a stop by Ward. Bigger, and there's only so much ice. We learned that in Los Angeles. Oh, kick save and a beauty. A right pad there of McElhinney. Here's a breakaway for Atkinson onside. Moves in, and Ward kicks out that left pad and is able to knock it away from Atkinson. Food is steered aside by McElhinney. 13 shots for Carolina, 5 for the Blue Jackets. Ron Hainsey, far side, shot right on, stick save, rebound, scores. Boychuk.
We just want to win. He said, what a challenge with everyone out of the lineup. It'd be nice to get out there and win. And boy, you can see how motivated he is in his play of late.
Gibbons anticipating, sends it ahead, goes right after it, uses that speed, and then his hook could not get a shot away. That is Riley Nash, my apologies. Now a shot from the wing by Gerby. Swept to the point by Lindholm, shot by Sekera, a shot and a goal. Nash cuts off the Sekera attempt from the point, and he beats McElhinney short side for the first time in several minutes.
And that position is one we usually see taken by James Wisniewski, who's obviously out for a little bit.
Johansson, rebound, scores! Power play goal! Who else but Nick Foligno? A walk away from Hainsey. Good work by the youngster. Sweeps a backhand to the point. Tooten throws it behind the net. Jenner looking to walk up. On for Wenberg. Wenberg keeps those feet moving. Wraparound attempt. And Jenner couldn't get a stick on it. Got on goal here in the second. Falk on the turnover. Moves into the zone. Gets by the defense. And McElhinney makes the stop, but the puck trickles in. And that is a shorthanded goal. The first one the Jackets have allowed.
Success in October. But November 2 wins, and they credit it to speed and transition.
We've seen that speed here tonight. And it's resulted in a couple of their goals. Good work by Jenner. In front, it goes off the skate of Hartnell. When Foligno goes out for that Ottawa game. Elmore with Hartnell coming quickly. Hartnell in front, Atkinson. And he rips it wide. A golden opportunity for the Jackets to cut the lead.
With Calvert and Skilly, Todd Richards really mixing things up here.
Looking for some type of positive here. Calvert with the steal, walks in, shoots. Oh, Ward able to get a piece of it. Great lateral movement there by Calvert. Moves it around the wall. Dalton Trout behind the net for Foligno. Nick Foligno looks to walk out, tries to jab it over, does! What an effort by Foligno! His second of the night! It's a one-goal hockey game! And it in deep. Fresh legs come on for Carolina. Ryan Johansson, right wing, across the line, settles the puck down. Gibbons in front. Oh my! Ward got a piece of it.
Him out. Gibbons has a puck on his backhand. Nice little throw in there. Oh, Harrison almost put it in, but then he took it out.
Yeah. See that? He almost
been sailing wide. Yeah.
Now the Jackets get it to Johnson. On here to Hartnell. Swept out by Belmore. The net is empty. Eric Stahl will walk in and put the puck into the empty net to ice it for Carolina. It'll be their 3rd straight win, and for the Jackets, they'll drop their 6th in a row.